Hey guys, how are we doing? So it's Crypto Insight UK here. It's 9:25 p.m. on the 6th of May 2021. We'll jump straight into the charts just for your daily round off. We'll look into Bitcoin to start with. We're on Bitcoin in the hourly here. As I said, I thought it would range between 55k and 58k. I didn't think it would have the momentum to break above, although I would have liked to have seen that, and it's done exactly what I thought it would do. It went up towards 58, rejected it. It's come down now, and it's using the 55 as support, and now it's bouncing around the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, as you can see here. The start of the day was here. We took that bit of momentum. We rode up towards the 58. We didn't manage to break through. We rejected it. We've come down towards the 55 using that as support. Like I said, we would trade sideways today, and that's exactly what we've done. I said I didn't think we would have too much of a green day, and although there are some things moving very green, I said across the board it would be low percentages or red percentages, and as you can see, it's mostly low. There are a few things that have broken out, for example EOS, which I'll go into in a minute, but on the whole, my prediction ran true from the day. We'll look through to Ethereum. Again, with Ethereum, I did say it would look to break its all-time high. If we could get above this fib level, I thought we'd be ranging in between up to about 4,200. It couldn't get above the fib level. It's still bouncing off the 50-day moving average. So we can look for some more volume tomorrow. Let's bang some volume indicators in here and see what happened. We can look for some more volume tomorrow and hopefully get us through this Fibonacci level here and into the middle of the next zone. I'd be looking for my next take profit targets at around 4,000 if we're day trading and we manage to get above this fib level here. XRP is next on the chart. Again, I said if we can get above 75, I put some technical analysis out in my TA group chat, talked about some possible scenarios of where I'm looking to hit or land as the next support if we get above the 175 range. We haven't managed to break with this fib level again. Did say that today would be a sideways day. We've had a bit of a consolidation here. We wicked down and touched the 200-day, confirmed that support, and we've bounced back out of that zone. We're now in the above the 156 support. I would like to see us make another push and try and break through this fib level. We need some volume to come through that's green like we did have here. Didn't have enough to quite carry us through to break this small high here that we've created. Litecoin, again, struggling to get above and hold above this fib level. We have had the strength to break through here, but we haven't had the strength to maintain above that. We will be looking to flip this to support, as it was a previous high over here. It'd be a great thing to flip to support. And then the next target is all-time high, which is this level here, and then price discovery after that. We'll go into EOS because it's just been absolutely moving mad. It broke up its recent high a few days ago on the 5th of May, yesterday, and we've had, I think, an 80% move in the last 100% move to where the top is and to where we are now, about 86% in the last 2 days. So that's absolutely travelling at the minute. Let's say if it keeps at that momentum, because I've still got a bag of that left. In terms of the total market cap, we've just come below the 2.3 trillion, which is the previous all-time high. I would like to finish the day with a candle close above that level to signal bullish momentum for tomorrow, which I think we'll probably, or we might not do actually. We need to have a bit more, the bulls need to come back to the party a little bit more, otherwise we may take another downward day tomorrow. But we've still got a few hours left in the day, and it has rejected the 50-day, use it as support, so there is a world where we do definitely end above this all-time high level, and I do hope that happens towards the end of the day. Getting on to the altcoins, they're still travelling. They've tested the 50-day today as support, and they are looking to move on and upwards. If we do see the total market cap come below the all-time high, we may see another dip tomorrow in the altcoins. But if we see the day finish with the candle close above the all-time high, then we could be looking at a more bullish day tomorrow. So it all really depends on what's going to happen towards the end of the day today. And we'll touch on Doge because I was talking about that earlier. As I'm speaking, it is having a tiny bit of a pump, but we're still down on the day 8%. I can still see a world where we do dump here. There is an argument forming that this could be a bullish pennant, and I can see why people would think that. That's fine. It's a good shape for a bullish pennant, and we do have upward momentum. And when you see a bullish pennant, it is a continuation pattern. So when you see something like that, it does mean that the trend should continue if it breaks out. However, as I said, crypto's never as simple as everyone makes out, because there's almost a certain event that Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live is going to be pumping Doge. He's even tweeted that about being the Doge father and going on Saturday Night Live. But I always feel when something's so certain in crypto, it's always too good to be true. And a lot of people I know, retail investors who I don't know anything about crypto, have talked to me about Doge recently, and that really makes me feel like this is a lot of movement to do with retail. And I know for a fact retail investors get stung the first time they join the crypto market. So just keep an eye on Doge. If you're already in on a position, I think about taking profits if you've made some decent ones, just to make sure you're not exposed to the market, or at least take your initial investment out. Otherwise, I probably will look at shorting Doge again. Not going to lie, depending on if it can break above the 62 cent mark or not. That's quite important for me. If it's the longer it trades sideways, the more likely it is to go down. Personally, we still, obviously, like I talked about, had a 70% crash before. I don't know what this one is here. There's a 63%, and we did have a 70% crash down here somewhere, just to show you that Doge does absolutely pump and dump, and we're on a massive pump at the minute. There's a 72% there. After a big pump, let's have a look what pump that was. We moved up 700% there, and here we've moved up. Probably from the start of the move, you could say was there. Well, probably maybe lower, but you could say, I guess, there. 100% up here, but we have this is the second leg of the move, so altogether the move is 900%, and the crash so far is not a lot. We're looking at 20% crash, and that's tiny for what Doge does, so we could be looking at crashing all the way down into this sort of range, I'd say. So just keep an eye on that. Don't put all your eggs in the basket that Elon Musk is going to come and pump the life out of it, because it never goes the way that everyone thinks it's going to. But with that, that's your daily roundup from me, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Cheers.